Welcome to Lesson 4. In this lesson, we will discuss the formation of the enemy mindset. In the last few lessons, we discussed the cycle of socialization, identity, divisions, tribalism, and we finished with communal pride. The potential end result of these is the creation of what is called the enemy mindset. To put it simply, it is the idea that if you are not with me, you're against me. So how is the enemy mindset created? The core emotion we discussed earlier of fear elicits the same fight or flight response in each of us. It is hardwired into our brains. Things that we fear are the unknown or unfamiliar, things we do not understand, things that make us feel uncomfortable, and things that are different. As a result, the source of our fear now becomes a threat. A threat is often something that challenges our belief system and identity. If we are unwilling or incapable of changing or lacking emotional intelligence, this can further elicit the fight or flight response to that which is attempting to effect change in us. This threat then becomes our enemy. When we perceive a threat as our enemy, this can lead to hate. People say it is much easier to hate than to love. This is the result of the enemy mindset. Think about it. It is easier to hate someone we defined as an enemy than to hate someone we love. But what if we loved our enemies? How could we hate them? Maya Angelou once said, "Hate has caused a lot of problems in this world, but it has not solved one yet." Think of all the aspects in your life the enemy mindset applies to. Sports rivalries, school rivalries, political rivalries, and so on. Think about it. What groups or even individuals that are not in your tribe do you identify as an enemy or possibly even hate? So, as we have now learned, interpersonal relationships are intricate, influenced by diverse factors such as variations in personalities, conflicting attachment styles, our capacity to manage and convey our emotions, and our ability to recognize and empathize with others. Additionally, our proficiency or lack thereof in handling conflict in a healthy manner can complicate these relationships further. When our differing belief systems, which shape our identities and core, are combined with our innate emotional need to belong to something greater, this often results in tribalism, division, and the development of an enemy mindset, ultimately leading us to hate those that are different. So, now that I have thoroughly bummed you out about some of the factors that make interpersonal relationships so complicated, we come to the important part. How do we solve this problem and overcome these challenges? This is where the 6 gifts come into play, and we will discuss the gifts in the next session. I will see you there.